of resistance against change among particularly team leaders could be mitigated if you take under consideration some important factors. The resistance against change could be much less if Hi, I am Aldona Blondin from ABCC. Out of my observation, when the change is announced, many people need some time to process the information before they can act on it, especially team leaders. On a daily basis, they have a lot of tasks to execute to deliver business results and take care of team motivations, job organization, and themselves. Once they got the first input about any new project, they need a moment to process those freshly learned information, clarify for themselves what impact it brings, and only after they could be ready for the next steps. There is a kind of old joke from change management. So in the more conservative or the old-fashioned, let's say so, management style was a comment, jump. The reply very likely from team leaders was, how high? Nowadays, after the same message, jump, there is why in answer instead of how high. People are able to decrease their wish to oppose and to open their capacities to contribute if they can understand the purpose. The reasons why they should make some efforts to achieve those new goals should be clear for anyone in the organization, particularly for team leaders. It would make moving their teams towards new solution much easier task. Just after the change initiative is announced, team leaders need the time and opportunity to ask the question or share their opinions in an easygoing environment, not for instance during town halls or via emails. Project leaders and sponsors have to schedule dedicated time for live exchange session and give a chance for team leaders to express their opinions and questions. Yes, it might be tough, even critical, but it's always better to hear them out before and to react to them in a professional way. Do you want to empower your team leaders with pragmatic change management techniques to mitigate resistance and to implement change initiatives smoothly? Contact me to organize change management workshop for your team. Aldona Blondin, e.g.PROSCI.